To consolidate your understanding of the skill of inference, there are now a series of other sources for you to make inferences from. They are a combination of written sources and picture sources. You'll note that the structure of your response is in the style that you're familiar with, and of course this is the style of the GCSE. What can you infer? So what is your educated guess about the Highwayman, or your assumption, and then details in the source that tell me this. In the case of written sources, the details will need to be a quote. In the case of the picture sources, the detail will need to be a description from the picture source. Please be aware, when you read the sources, we are talking about the source and the detailed information that comes with it. This in bold is called the provenance. This will normally tell you the who and the what and possibly the when of the source. So please work your way through those additional examples of inferences.